Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest videos. Today I'll be showing you the simplest and most hygienic method for preparing your Tigernut drink. Whether you are lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet, this recipe is an excellent milk alternative. I'll be using my Buchymix blender and the Nama J2 juicer. If you are concerned about hygiene or find the process of making Tigernut drink a bit overwhelming, stick around until the end. This video is tailored just for you. Cheers to a healthier, more convenient way of enjoying Tigernut goodness. So I'll be using Tigernut, dates, ginger, fresh coconuts, and water. Everything into my blender, so I'll give it a good mix, a good blend, and then transfer it to, at this point it's thoroughly blended, and I'll transfer it to my juicer, my Nama J2 juicer. Guys, just watch as I easily extract the juice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to get more healthy recipes. Thank you. Bye.